Na ultanga tunga ni lesson ngo na siya ni kuwa ni God has no limit. Na Kalou ngo eseng ni dua na kena yalayala. Na Kalou endang karaba eseng tu na lala no na kaukau esenga ni yala ni rawa. Ako tatak tumay na Numbers 11:23 na posabe Moses na Kalou gikabe Moses is there a limit to my power? The Lord answered, is there a limit to my power? Obombota isento na kanda ndio na Kalou. Obombota anumumbula erawatanga na Kalou. Obombota isenga na Kalou esento na kai rawa. Kana na kosa matay ni Peter limatin ka bibi. Leave all your worries with him because he cares for you. Pagkuta nga nung dali ang babuwa na Kalou. Pagkuta nung tamate stroke, cancer, makita ba nga? You give all to Jesus. You give all to Jesus because he cares for you. And he has no limit. God has no limit. God has no equal because he has no limit. Oiko, what kaya katabayala? We have limit. But our God, the Son of God, he